For our first project, I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'll begin by sealing these 2 holes right here with some spackle, and then with the white linen chalk paint, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and then I have a wood wreath, and I am going to be doing the same thing, one entire coat. I'm also gonna be using my heat tool to make sure that this is completely dry, and I'm gonna be combining both of these together. I'm gonna be using some hot glue, and I'm gonna glue them together. Again, this is another wood round or wreath Wednesday, and it is being hosted every month by myself, DIY with Aurea, along with Loli D's Creation. This month, guest host is Tammy with Happiness Created. I'm going to be leaving the links down to their channels in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them. Today's theme is Christmas Centerpiece, and that's exactly what I'm going to be creating for you. And coming back to these talented creators, these ladies are amazing. They are full of inspiration. Again, don't forget to visit them. Give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Let them know that I send you. And my dear friends, how are you decorating your house for this holidays? What colors are you going to be using? I would love to hear your comments. My colors this year, of course, I'm going to be shooting for Winter Wonderland, so I'm going to be using woods full of snow, of course flocked in this situation, flocked trees, the color gold, crystals, white, silver. Going to be looking magical. And these half wood rounds, I purchased these at a garage sale. I bought a box and they have all kinds of shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and start creating the legs because of course this is a centerpiece. Once that is done, then I'm gonna come in with the white linen chalk paint, and I'm also gonna be painting the bottom section. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece to the side, and I have this candle holder along with this little dessert plate, both of them from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go and adhere both of the pieces together, and then I'll give it 2 coats with the same linen white chalk paint. Now that's done and dry. I have another wood round. I'm going to be adhering it right up here, and I'm creating a platform. And I'm also going to be painting this section right here just to make it look nice and even. And now let's go ahead and glue these pieces together. Last year I went and I started collecting a lot of pine cones. I will be flocking all 4 of them. This Noel sign, look how gorgeous it has a beautiful gold snowflake on top, but I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this metallic silver paint. I'm also going to be painting this popsicle stick with the same color, and then once it's done I'm going to cut it to size and place it right in the bottom of that Noel sign, only for some stability because we will be gluing it on top of that tray that we are creating. Now that it's all put together with more hot glue, we're going to be gluing it right on top of the tray. Once I was done with this tray, I came in with some mirror tiles and I placed it around between the wood round and the wood wreath, only to cover that imperfection in there, but I didn't show it on this video. I'm just gonna begin by placing several items on top of this tray, and I'll begin with the trees. As we wrap up, you'll see this centerpiece truly come to life. I've added some lights and reindeers, and these elements are to inspire you with new decorating ideas. Thank you so much for visiting and sharing this creative moment with me. I hope you enjoyed this final review. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I purchased this at Dollar General. It was on sale and I paid $1. That was last year. So I have some more wood beads. I'm going to be creating the leg. I'm going to be gluing them with hot glue. Once all of these are glued in place, then I came in with the silver metallic acrylic paint, and I'm giving it 3 entire coats. And I am only going to be painting the upper section of this riser. I went to Temu and I purchased so many stencils, and this is one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right up here, and with the same white chalk paint, my makeup brush, which now is a paint brush, because I think this is absolutely, oh my god, I love working with this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this stencil out. I love creating little risers and trays and centerpieces for this season, because you can add so many things on top of it, and you could create some type of scenery, and it always looks absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts of this one. And for this project number 3, I have this cutting board, also from Dollar Tree. I also have some wood beads, and I am going to be gluing them as the legs. And I'm going to go ahead and use this antique wax, and of course I'm going to be watering it down and using a white bead. also going to be using another stencil from Timo. Look at how gorgeous this stencil is. And I'm going to be using the same technique as before. And let's go ahead and lift it up and look at how nice it looks. This is so beautiful. So I took this ribbon, I folded in 3, of course. I glue it, and then I'm gonna be creating the handles with this ribbon. And I'm also gonna be using some hot glue and thumbtacks to add it to the riser. And my dear friends, just remember that this is an open collaboration, Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday. Make sure to visit Loli and Tammy to see what goodies they have for you. There's also a playlist for your convenience down below. Make sure to show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking their video. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I truly hope these 3 beautiful creations have inspired you in some way. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join my crafting family by hitting that subscribe button. And to all my amazing supporters and subscribers, I can't thank you enough. Your encouragement means the world to me, and I wouldn't be here without you. And as you can tell, I went on and I distressed this piece, and this will be it for this 3rd project. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it.